Hello everyone, I'm Melina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. It is time for my September latest in beauty unboxing. So in the month of September, I've obviously made my picks a little bit later in the month. I have made my picks on the drop that was the one before the last one, so on the 23rd. And to be completely honest, I did want things from previous drops, but I only wanted like two from each drop. So I waited for a certain drop to make my picks and make sure that the things that I picked were things that I actually wanted from September. So in case you are new to Latest in Beauty, you don't know how it works and you're confused about that, with Latest in Beauty you pick your own items. You get 6 items. If you sign up now, it will cost you £14.95 plus postage and packaging. Once you are with them for 3 months, you become a pro, and then you don't pay postage and packaging anymore, and you also get 15% off their collection boxes. So the day you sign up is the day you need to make your picks for the month, but in subsequent months you will be charged on the first of the month, and then you have the entire calendaristic month to make your picks. There is always one Hall of Fame which drops on the first of the month. It doesn't matter when that first is. So for example, today is Saturday. You will get the Hall of Fame on the Saturday, and then every Friday there are 5 items that drop. You do get a little bit of a preview on their blog. They also do Instagram lives with everything that comes, but they don't reveal when the drops are. So they will group the items, so you know that the 5 items are in drop 1, for example, 5 items are in drop 2, but you don't know when drop 1 is, you don't know when drop 2 is. And lately I've always wanted 2 items from one drop, 2 items from another, and so on. So it's kind of a little bit of a guesswork to know when to make your picks so you get most of the items that you want. So also, in case you are new to my channel, the way I do these videos is give a little review or overview of what I got in the month previously, and tell you what I thought of the items, and then I go on to unboxing this month's box. So if you're not subscribed yet, I would love it if you would subscribe. And with that being said, I will go into August box and tell you what I thought of the item. So last month I had 2 huge disappointments, and I will start with those so I end on like a good note. So first I had the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo. I just can't tell you just how underwhelmed, disappointed and unimpressed I am with this product. It lathers okay, it cleans the hair, it definitely cleans the hair and cleans the scalp, but the way it leaves my hair is nothing special. It reminds me of when I was a child and my mom used to get one of those big bottles of family shampoo. She used to get the nettle shampoos. I grew up in Romania, just for a little bit of a background. I don't know if there were those kind of shampoos were around or are still around where you live, but that's exactly what this one reminded me of how my hair felt and looked like. It just looked lifeless and dull. I had better hair days by using dry shampoo than by using this. So how I use this at the minute is I use it as like a first shampoo, just to make sure I clean my scalp properly, and then I go in with something else that makes my hair look a lot better and feel a lot better. Another product I am disappointed in is from Revolution Pro, the Crystal Gloss. I am wondering whether they were trying to dupe the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I would choose the Maybelline Lifter Gloss over this one any day. It is a very, very thick gloss. The color is nice, but the smell is so sickly sweet. I just cannot stand it. Ugh. This type of formula goes on better over a lipstick rather than on bare lips, but still that smell, oh, I really cannot stand it. I don't even know what to do with this now. Then also from Revolution Pro, I have the Blush and Lift over here. This one I really like. It's supposed to give a lift by having that like icy feeling. Yeah, you can definitely feel the icy feeling, but I think the lift comes mostly from how you place the blush on the cheeks. What I really like about it is the color. It's a very unique color. A little goes a long way. So this is a much better product. This is one of those colors that you could use as a 3-in-1 or a all-in-one. They could contour at the same time as giving you a little nice color to the cheeks. So enjoy this one. Then I had the Lash Factor Pro serum for lashes and brows. I haven't been that great in applying this every single day. I've tried, I think it was more every 2-3 days, but I have noticed a difference in my brows, especially like this arch here. It's not completely filled in, but I have noticed that the more I used it, the more it looked more filled in. So it must have done something. Haven't noticed that much of a difference on my lashes yet. I think there is a bit of a difference, but I'm not entirely sure. But my lashes are quite short to begin with and straight, so it's hard to see a difference straight away. I also had a little sachet of the Renewable Energy pre-workout supplement with matcha. Was okay. I wouldn't pick it again, I wouldn't try it again, it was just okay. And then the last item in August was this cream. The Nuxe Bio-Organic Marine Seaweed Skin Correcting Moisturizing Fluid. Last time I thought it was a serum. It is actually a cream, so you just use it as a moisturizer. It's really nice, sinks into the skin very quickly, feels lightweight. It has kind of like a natural scent, but in the best way possible. I really like how it smells. So yeah, I'm enjoying this one. Okay, so now we get into September picks. I'm going to start with the items that I waited for, and these were from Wonderskin. There was a takeover, so basically all the items in that week were from Wonderskin, and I picked 3 items from Wonderskin. I have picked the Wonder Blading lip color. This is in shade Whimsical. So it says the Wonder Blading is a new way to hyper stain your lips. Is a 2-phase process that starts with a lip mask containing special colorants. So I think that's the phase where it just looks blue on your lips. The second step is a mist, which activates the mask and hyperstains the brilliant color into the surface of your skin. Within seconds of misting, you can peel and reveal a perfect pout of color that is transfer-free, smudge-free, feather-free, and water-resistant. So let's see what we're getting here. So we've got our little instructions there. Then this is the lip mask. Right, so this is the bluish color portion of this lip color. This is the activator, so I'm guessing this is the spray. Yeah, that's the spray there. And we also get, I wonder what this is. Also get a cloth. Right, so it's a little cloth that you would hold under your bottom lip in case it drips whatever you put on. And then you can also use this to remove the blue layer in case you don't want to do a peel. So you can spray the activator onto your lips and then wipe with the towel, or you can spray straight onto the towel and then wipe the blue layer off. So yeah, I am quite looking forward to doing this thing and see what results I get. The next item is the Wonderskin lip scrub, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, feels nice. It feels really nice. I'm actually thinking of doing this now, using the scrub and then doing this. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm going in. So let's use the lip scrub. Sorry if this video is a bit long. Only 2 items in the September box. I got a mirror over there. Right, I need to rinse this off. Okay, so now I'm doing this. It says to apply the lip mask in 2 to 3 thick coats and then leave for 10 to 45 seconds. The longer you leave it on, the more saturated your lip color would be. So I'm thinking of leaving it on for about 30 seconds. My lips do feel nice and smooth, by the way, after that lip scrub, which is what you want. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to spray this. Miss it 1 to 2 times over the lip area and to see what I'm doing. Okay. That's a very strong mist. Ooh, I can feel it starting to peel off. So, I'm thinking I might leave this color on for a little bit less because it doesn't seem to flutter my teeth. And my lips do feel a little bit tingly. But the color is there. It definitely feels like a stain. So it doesn't feel like I have product on. Yeah. Come back in, well, we are in October, but come back next time and I'll tell you how long this lasted on me. I'll do it again and I'll try it maybe with less time, just seeing if that would be a little bit more flattering for my teeth color. But yeah, I'm going to go on like this. Hopefully I won't cringe too badly when I edit this. Right, I have one more item from Wonderskin. Let me find it. And this is the Powerful Mascara. This looks very nice. I like the packaging on this. And this is the brush. It feels kind of like a wet formula, which I don't mind too much as long as the brush is quite short, which it is. As in the bristles are quite short, that's what I mean. So yeah, I'll have to let you know how I got on with this one. I love testing mascaras. Oh, just in case you hear any banging, although my camera might not pick it up because it doesn't have a very good microphone, my partner is putting shelves together downstairs. So I'm doing this while he's doing his thing. So speaking of my partner, I picked this for him, which is the Mitchum Natural Power Gel Cream. It's a gel deodorant. He's used it today. So it comes with a foil over this. You peel that off, and when you twist, it comes out from that side, and you can twist it down as well. But this is supposed to have 0% aluminium. It's supposed to have wetness absorption and odor protection, and the scent is amber and sandalwood. Next, I picked these from Save Skincare. This all counts as one item, and this is the Clean Pore Replenishing Mask. Got 4 masks in here. I would say each little sachet would maybe do for 2 uses. So yeah, quite a good way to try this mask from Save Skincare. They've had other items from Save Skincare in the past, and I picked them and I try them, and I've really enjoyed them. So I'm very curious to see if I'm going to like the mask as well. So this mask is supposed to absorb excess oil without stripping the skin while calming it, and reduces the risk of breakouts caused by clogged pores. It helps eliminate impurities and balances sebum production, as well as help repair free radical damage. So that's really nice. It cleans the pore and it gives the hydration boost. So yeah, I'm really interested in that one. And the last thing in here is something from August, which was in one of their last drops. This is an item that I would never go out to buy by itself. If I saw it in the shops, I wouldn't buy it. If I saw an advert online, I wouldn't buy it. I would probably click on it to see how much it was, but I wouldn't buy it. So this is from Pony Revolution. This is the Pony Secret. I think this is quite pricey for what it is. Like I said, if I saw an ad for it, I wouldn't buy it. Even if it was half price, I wouldn't buy it. But because I was getting value from all the other items, this is a perfect opportunity to try this and see if it's any good. I do wear my hair in a ponytail quite a lot, so if this works, oh, this feels different to what I expected, but if this works, that will be quite good. So I got the brown one. It's got like a rubber material it's made out of. Feels like it's got a little bit of weight to it. They all say that it's very lightweight, so we'll see. I'm hoping it's not too much hassle to actually use, because if things are a hassle, I tend not to use them. But that was an interesting and intriguing one for me. By the way, there are 2 cards in here. There is a £50 off code for Wonderskin. So it's a £15 off purchases over £50. And that's the code over there, LIB. And there is also a code for Pony Revolution for their website, which I'm hoping you can see over there. So these are my picks for September. Let me know down in the comments what you have picked in September, if you are a subscriber, of course, to Latest in Beauty. I'm hoping you found this video interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I'm also hoping that you will subscribe and stick around for more videos from me if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!